In this video, we'll be reviewing how to use the run2 GWAS flexible step2.sh script for the ENIGMA-3 GWAS protocol. This script is used to run the GWAS using the files prepared in the previous scripts, outputting the final GWAS results, one file for each chunk of each chromosome. We'll assume that you're working on a Linux machine in the base directory called E3 and that you have already downloaded the association scripts. Open run2 GWAS flexible step2.sh and make changes to the following lines. Again, run directory is where the Enigma association scripts are stored. This path should be the same as what it was in the previous two scripts. This script can be run in batch mode if you have access to a SunGrid engine or a portable batch system. If you plan on using qsub, change end nodes to the number of nodes you want to distribute your GWAS over. Otherwise, leave end nodes as 1. Mockfile_dir is the full path to the output from mock, the program that you previously used for imputation. A download link for mock can be found in the video description. Ped.dir is the full path to the ped and dat files created in the run1 GWAS flexible step 1 script. Sample name is the abbreviated name of your sample. It shouldn't have any spaces. GWAS out is the full path for the output from mock2qtl or Merlin. This folder will be created for you. Set mode to manual if you want the output to be a text file containing a list of commands to batch submit using another system. Otherwise, have mode set to run. Set status to H if your data contains only healthy subjects, HD if it contains healthy and affected subjects, or D if it contains only affected subjects. Set the related variable to 1 if your sample has related subjects and 0 if it does not. Once again, the data used in this video consists of unrelated subjects. In this next section, only change the variables that are relevant to your sample. If your samples are unrelated, then the relevant variable is run mock_dir. This is the path to where you installed and compiled mock2qtl using the previous script, but only change this if you are an advanced user. If your sample has related subjects, then the relevant variables are Merlin directory and Merlin file_dir. Merlin directory is the path to where you installed and compiled Merlin using the previous script, but only change this if you are an advanced user. Merlin file_dir is the path to the imputed output from Merlin, which will be created if files do not exist. Once you are done editing run2 GWAS flexible step2.sh, run the script. As mentioned previously, if you have a SunGrid engine, you can run the script in batch mode with qsub. If you don't have access to a SunGrid engine, run the scripts locally. This can take 24 to 36 hours to complete. You can use the same command if you want the output to be 2 text files containing a list of commands if you previously set the mode variable to manual. Once the script is finished running, your output will be a set of GZ files in the folder at GWAS out that you previously specified in the script. You can open these zipped output files using the zless command. Here's an example of what a GWAS output file should look like. Please check that some values in the effect and standard error columns are non-zero and have greater than 4 digits after the decimal. If you have any questions, please follow the link to our Google group in the description below.